Excuse me, ma'am.
Will
Yes.
you share the link for joining join my quiz?
Code we are going to give you. Don't worry. थोड़ा सा हम wait करेंगे.
Will you share the link?
What?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. I can say lovely background. Hasika. Hasika is at Disney World. Disney.
Daddy,
Ma'am, please share the link in chat box.
So we can see lots of children coming.
Excuse me, ma'am, will you share the link of joining my quiz?
That is just right. www.quiz. QUIZZ.
Ma'am, where? Ma'am, where?
On the Google Chrome.
Oh.
So let's wait for more kids to join in.
Let me try it out. Yeah. My Google Chrome. Yeah. What I have. Ma'am.
Yes.
Good evening. Me, ma'am, what I have to type?
You have to type. So many kids are talking. Let me tell you, अगर एक जना ही बोल सकता है ना. Wait, let me tell you.
Ma'am? Yeah. Please type.
It's quiz. QUIZZ. Just type.
Ma'am, please.
what is quiz code?
अभी नहीं बताएंगे. अभी नहीं बताएंगे. We are waiting for our friends. So Akshaz is here. He was yesterday also with us.
We have to type.
Quiz.
Unable to hear you.
Good evening.
बताते रहना हूँ कि
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, will you share the link for joining this Join My Quiz?
This is just, you have to type quiz. QUIZZ and
Ma'am,
join
when
it.
we will start the quiz?
In a while.
Ma'am, what is the code for the link?
We will just be sending the code. We need to be little quiet and I am just going to send you the link, okay, for those who are unable to join, okay?
Ma'am, please give the code.
We need to wait, baby. We need to wait.
Ma'am, what's your name?
Jasmine.
Ma'am, you're a new teacher. Ma'am, are you a new teacher?
You don't know me? That means you have not joined my session.
Ma'am, I am new to Podium School.
Yes, great.
And how to make Toran of Diwali.
Yeah.
What is the code?
Code we are just going to share. Okay, so
Where is the code?
So you have to join this quiz.com and let's get ready for the quiz. So let me tell you some exciting things about the quiz. Okay, so you need to listen to the instructions very carefully, right? So mute your mics, everyone.
Hi,
because
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
no hi now.
Guys, please mute your.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you mute all?
So, yes, I will be doing. Can you just wait and listen to the instructions, please? Okay. So, children, you need to just mute your mics. Second thing is get ready. So each question you are going to get 30 seconds. Okay, so quickly you have to click on the right button or a buzzer, whatever you see. Okay, you have to submit it quickly. So we have around 31 questions for you all related to Disney World. And yes, let me tell you the gifts which we are going to give today. So winners are going to get Amazon vouchers. They top 3 will get certificates and top 10 get podium.
Ma'am, what is code?
Top 10. This is what children, we need to wait when the instructor is speaking. That is why we don't, we fail to answer, and when we fail to listen, we fail to answer. Okay, and 10 top 10 are going to get podium gift cards worth 500 rupees. So here
And
we
what is
go,
podium gift?
and let get set go, and all the best to everyone. No more questions.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so let's all the best. Okay, let's continue. One,
I didn't get.
let's get started. Let's get started. Okay, so it's world of. So the code. So the code is 028058. So go to joinmyquiz.com and enter the code 028058. I'm again repeating. So the code is, again, children, go to joinmyquiz.com and enter the code 028058. So we can just start the quiz. I'm just waiting for a few more kids to enter. Mute your mics. All the best. Let's go to Disney World and just get ready. And the age group is till 8 years only. Okay, not more than 8 years, maximum 8 years. So I hope you all are 8 years. So we can wait for few more seconds. Others are joining. So quickly get ready. So let's wait for 2-3 more participants to enter. And then we can start with our quiz. Let's make this Saturday little happening. Welcome to Disney Super Quiz organized by Podium School. So happy Saturday evening. Let's see who wins and who knows who wins. And then you can have your own vouchers, you can have your own certificates and just enjoy. So हम थोड़ा सा और वेट करेंगे बच्चों के लिए. और मैंने दोबारा से इंस्ट्रक्शंस बता रही हूँ. Every quiz you will have around 31 questions. Each question you will have 30 seconds to think. तो जल्दी नहीं करेंगे. 30 seconds is a good time. Think and then only click. Okay. So we have around 120 participants. Let's see who wants to join in. Let's wait for So we have Shriyanshi, Ridhima, welcome. So we have Rishilu, Raghav Chauhan. Welcome to Super R Quiz. Sana Raj, Swara, welcome. Enjoy the quiz. Have fun. So Raghav, Swara, yes. And I can see kids little excited. And children, please switch on your cameras. We would love to see your pretty faces. And we can also know that koi bacha apne mummy papa se to nahi pooch raha. Okay, this quiz is for you, not for your mama and papa. So Pratiksha is here, Venkatesh is here. Welcome Neeti, welcome to Super R Quiz. So Kashish Garg, welcome. Venkatesh, happy to see you here. All the best to everyone. Yes, so we can just start our quiz. And here I go. Switch on your cameras quickly, Ridhima, Prab, Dhoka. I can't see your cameras on. Please, no raising of hands. Cameras on. So, Rishik, welcome. Welcome to Super Quiz R. Yes, cameras to be on. Yes, so we have 1 more minute and then we can just start the quiz. You must be excited, है ना? और थोड़ा सा डर भी लग रहा होगा, अरे मैं जीतूंगा, मैं जीतूंगी, सैटरडे कैसे जाएगा, right? Yes, I know. Even I am little, थोड़ा सा तो मुझे भी लग रहा है कि बच्चे कैसे करेंगे, कौन जीतेगा. So Parmita is here, Naisha is here. Welcome guys. Welcome to Super R Podium Quiz. So Anagha Prasad is here. Welcome and welcome. Keep smiling. Would love to see your smiles. And yes, pretty smiles. So yes. So I hope किसी के मम्मा पापा ऐसे साइड में तो नहीं बैठे हुए बताने के लिए. This quiz is for you. Okay. So we can just wait a few more seconds or 1 minute. Butterflies in the stomach, isn't it? Butterflies in my stomach also. क्या होगा क्विज में क्या आने वाला है, जैसे है ना. और जिसको वाउचर मिलेगा, क्या वो मेरे साथ शेयर करना चाहेगा वो वाउचर? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Would you like to? Okay, here I go. So let me start the quiz. All the best. 3, 2, and 1. And here I go. So the first question is on the screen. Wow. So what movie are these puppies from? Quickly. So you have Dr. Dolittle, The Secret Life of Pets, Jungle Book, or 101 Dalmatians. We have 18 seconds, 17, 16, guys. Quick. 13, 11. Time's up. So the answer is, let's see, the leaderboard is here. So who is, wow, so Amisha is here. So Dr. Dolittle, no, so it was 101 Dalmatians. So all the best, guys. We still have so many questions. Don't worry. So next question is here. 3, 2, and 1, go. So what is the princess name? So what is the prince's name? Ariel, Rapunzel, Jasmine, or Aladdin? Let's see who is lucky today. So we have few seconds left. 22, 21, and 20. Quickly, 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 guys, quickly. So who is the lucky princess? Here, time's up, time's up. And let's see what's on the dashboard. So Abisha, Natali, and who is here? Who is here with highest? Yes, Jasmine. And bless me also. I am also Jasmine. So Jasmine is lucky for so many people today. So let's move to next question. So go. Here we go. What movie is the photo from? So the Godmother's Wagon, Cinderella, the left two. Who wants to be my prince? Who wants to be my prince? Okay. So which movie is this? This is my favorite movie, and all the children love this movie. So time is running, kids. Time is running. Time's up, and let's see what's on the dashboard. Leaderboard, please. Yes, Amisha, Arav, Zam, Natali, Neha, Divya. Let's see who is. Wow, Cinderella with 117 kids gave correct answer. So yes, Cinderella, guys, Cinderella. So let's get ready for the next question. Okay. Go. Okay. What is this show? So we have options. Mickey and Donald, Inside Out, Batman and Robin, Phineas and Ferb. I used to watch this. I really loved this. Super cute cartoon characters. Yes, let's see. Less time left. About to we have. Okay, quickly 115, 16, and 18, 20 kids, 22 kids have given answer, submitted answer. Time's up now. So children, you need to be a little quick. So let's see what our leaderboard says. So many kids with so many points. Wow, Phineas and Ferb, only 96 children gave correct answer. But kids, don't worry. So so many questions more to go. So let's start with other question. And the next question is on the screen. So here is your question. So what is the question? What movie is the picture from? Wow, Jungle Book, Lion King, the story of cute lions, Lions and the Bridge. So which movie is it? So this is also one of my favorite animated movies. So many characters from Jungle. Yes, 112, 14, 15, and 20 kids are replying. It's time to about to finish. Quick. Yes, time's up. So 131 kids answered it, and see how many answered correctly. So we have Amisha at 4890. Wow. So Lion King kids, it's Lion King. 109 kids answered it correctly. So moving to next question. All the best. Don't be nervous. We have so many more questions. So let's see what is the next question. So on the screen, give us the new question. What is Donald Duck's middle name? अरे ये तो मुझे भी नहीं पता. क्या है भाई? Let's see what is on the screen. Is it Fauntleroy, David, Doodle, or the? What is the answer? Quickly. So we have less 97, 904 children and 14, 17, 20 kids replied. 25 now. 128. Time's up. Sorry, guys. Sorry, you have to be little quick. And let's see what leaderboard says. So Amisha is 4-8 and Natali 5-7-8-0. Oh, the correct answer, only 32K children gave correct answer, but it's okay, babies. So Fauntleroy was a correct answer. So next question is on your screen, and let's get ready. So the question is, which movie is this? You can see the picture on the screen. Is it Goosebumps, Barney, Monster Inc? We Are Monsters. So which movie is this? Quick, quick, quick. So which movie is this? Which movie is this? Which movie is this? So we have 127 kids and 100 and now time's up. So let's see what leaderboard has to tell us. Okay, Natalis with 6750. Naisha is 66. Wow, lots of kids gave correct answer. 99 kids gave correct answer out of 131. And Monster Inc. is the correct answer. So all the best again and well done, kids. Those who are really Naisha and then I have to read the name again. Okay, let's see. So girls are boys, buck up. Be ready for the next question. So here, 3, 2, 1, and go. So next question is, which one is his sidekick? So you can see 4 pictures on the screen, guys, and which one his sidekick. Wow, thinking. बच्चे सोच रहे हैं. Interesting. Even I'm thinking, कौन सी kick है, कौन सी है. So, time's up, guys. Time's up. Time's up. So let's see what is the correct answer. So Natali, Naisha is on top, 7,500 points. So let's see the answer. So yes, this is the correct. You can see a green box. So that's the correct answer. And you can see red box, the red rectangle, which you can see ki sabse zyada answer wrong answer ko mile hain. Ha ha ha. So let's move to next question. So the next question is on the screen again. All the best. From the given options, which movie has a magic rose? So you can see the pictures. कौन सी movie में था magic rose? Rose, गुलाब, magic वाला गुलाब किसके पास था? मुझे आंसर पता है. Okay, children, if you are not going to switch on your cameras, we are not going to announce the winners. That's very sad. Time's up. You need to, because we are watching, everything is being recorded. Okay, so you need to, so we can see Naisha with 839 points and Amisha now. So the correct answer is the first picture. The third picture, Monster Inc. Okay, children. So the third picture is the correct answer. 129 out of 178 kids replied correct answer. So children, please open your cameras because everything is being recorded. So we are going to judge. Our judges are going to judge. Jiska camera band hai, I'm sorry, we are not going to give any prizes then. Okay, so let's get ready for new question on the screen. Yes, go. So the question is, in Aladdin, what is Aladdin's last wish? A new car, to become a prince, to turn into a monkey, to set Genie free. What was Aladdin's wish? And you are going to disqualify now if you are not going to open your cameras. I'm repeating, everything is being recorded, guys. You need to open your cameras, otherwise, sorry. Time's up, time's up, and let's see what's on the dashboard or the leader board. So leader, give us the answer now. Arav is also leading with 8670 points. So the correct answer is to set Ginny free. Only 87 kids out of 130 kids gave correct answer, and 180 answered the quiz, this question. So let's start with the next question, guys. So the next question is, go. So the next question is, what is the name of dragon in Mulan? So the answer you have to, is it Mushu, Harry, Larry, and Mo? Is it Mushu, Harry, Larry, Mo? Quick, fast. Quickly press the right answer. And let's see what leaderboard has to tell us. Quick, very good. 126, 7, 8, and 9 kids are time's up. So out of 180 kids, 130 answered it. So leaderboard, please answer. Neha is still leading with 10,280 points. And the correct answer is Mushu. So cute. So guys, you can see that you need to be a little quick. So let's get ready for another exciting question. So on your screen, cameras to be on. Please switch on your cameras. And the question is here on your screen. So what is Rapunzel's dream in Tangled? Okay. So to search for love, to travel the world, to see the floating lanterns gleam, to play the piano. What was Rapunzel's dream in the movie Tangled? To search for love, to travel the world, to see the floating lanterns gleam, to play the piano. Time's up, guys. Time's up. So out of 183, 130 participated. And let's see, Neha is still on the top and Arav is after Neha. So we have only 50 correct answer to see the floating lanterns gleam, and 51 guys, 51 gave wrong answer. Okay, and get ready for the correct for the next question. So here is your next question on the screen. 2, 1, and go. So the next question is, what is Walter Disney's middle name? So on your screen, is it Ethan, James, Elias, or Carpenter? What is Walter Disney's middle name? Is it Ethan, James, Elias, Carpenter? ये तो मुझे भी सोचना पड़ेगा. Okay. So, wow, lots of children know this answer. Time's up, guys. So, out of 186, 130 answered it. Okay. So, Arav is now on the top with 11,430 points. So, Elias is correct answer, but James got the highest points, but that's a wrong answer. So let's move to next question. I hope you enjoying as I'm enjoying the quiz. So let's get ready for the next question. 3, 2, 1, and go on your screen, kids. Who was the first Disney princess? So who was the first Disney princess? Cinderella, Snow White, Ariel, or Jasmine? Is it Cinderella, Snow White, Ariel, or Jasmine? So we have out of 186, 117, 18, 20, 3, 5, 7, and time's up. So out of 186 kids answered there, out of 129 answered. So Arav is on the top with 12,400. Good. So girls, please come on, girls. So Snow White is a correct answer with 60 children. 60 kids gave correct answer, and yes, Cinderella is no. So Snow White is yes. So let's move to the next question. Girls, please come on. It's just few points. You are behind. So next question. So on your screen, super excited. I am also super excited. What's the next question? What are the names of the 7 dwarfs? Quickly. It is on your screen. Is it sleepy, sneezy, hoppy, sad, funny, clumsy, lazy, dog, silly, mini, deaf, zim, doopy, Carl, dog, sleepy, bashful, sneezy, doopy, grumpy, happy, grumpy, Sam, Daisy, Donald, Mickey, Minnie, Pluto? Which is the correct answer? What are the names of the 7 dwarfs? Time's up, guys. Let's see who wins. And leaderboard, please give us the correct answer. Jason with 13,130 points. So the third one, dog, sleepy, bashful, sneezy, doopy, grumpy, and happy. Happy is the correct answer. Only 45 children could give the correct answer. Relax. So let's move to the next question. Okay. So we are halfway. We have done. So we have 15 more questions left. You can just relax. Just relax. Close your eyes just for a few seconds. Everyone, close your eyes. Just relax. Rub your hands. Quickly rub your hands. Okay. Open your eyes and just rub your hands. And let's get ready again. Cameras to be on. Okay, cameras on करिए, नहीं तो आप disqualify हो जाएंगे, because I'm saying everything is being recorded. सब कुछ पता चल रहा है कि आप लोग किसका कैमरा बंद है. Prabhav, Riddhima, your cameras are or off. Riddhima, okay, all I can see. Okay, so can we just start? Are you relaxed? Can I see thumbs up and smiles? Your smiles are missing. It's okay. Participation is more important. So let's get ready for the next question. So are you ready? Are you ready? Smile. I can see smiles. Yes, kids are super excited. But जब तक cameras नहीं खुलेंगे, मैंने next question बोलना ही नहीं है. You need to understand there are few rules because I want you to win. So Jason, well done. Jason is on the top right now. Girls, please come on, girls. Come on. So let's get ready for the next question. Okay, so next question is on your screen. In The Little Mermaid, what does Ariel call the fork in her collection? So the answer is, you have to write Thingabomb, Dingle Hopper, brush, or fork. Answer it, think about it, and then reply, guys. I can see lots of smiles and excitement and little confusion on your faces. But don't worry, kids. Time's up. So let's see what leaderboard has to say. Leader, give us the answer. So Jason is on the top with 13,920 points. It's Dingle Hopper with 56 only correct answers. You need to gear up, guys. Okay. So Are you ready for next question? Are you relaxed? Are you confused? Are you not? So should I present next question or should I wait for Purab? You can switch on your camera, baby. So the next question is on your screen. So on your screen, no here and no there, only on the screen. So the next question is on your screen. So what was Mickey Mouse original name? What was Mickey Mouse original name? Is it part-time mouse, part-timer, extra time mouse, not a mouse? Very, very, very. So kids are giving answer, time quickly. Press the answer, don't leave the answer, quickly press. I know some kids must be doing inky, pinky, ponky. Is it time's up? So let's see what leaderboard has to say. So Jason with 14,830 points. So the answer is Smart Timer Mouse. So कौन सा बच्चा इन पिन सेफ्टी पिन कर रहा था? जल्दी से बताओ. I saw इन पिन सेफ्टी पिन ऐसे 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 कोई कर रहा था और एक को मैंने देखा कर रहा था टिप्पी टिप्पी टैप. What is the correct answer? I used to do. जब मेरे को कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं आते थे मैं तो करती थी टिप टैप है ना, या भगवान से भगवान आंसर सही बता दो. ओके, सो लेट्स गेट रेडी फॉर द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. So the next question is here on your screen. So cameras on. I have to give these reminders. So the next question is on your screen. So the question, which was the first roller coaster at Walt Disney World? Okay. So is it Space Mountain, Big Thunder Mountain, Expedition Everest, Rock and Roller Coaster? So you have to tell us which was the first roller coaster at Walt Disney World. Let's see who wins, and time's up. Sorry guys, time's up. You have to be little quick. Let me wear my glasses so that I can see clear board clearly. Still Jason and Natali, so proud of you Natali. Just few more points. The correct answer is Space Mountain. So Natali, I'm so proud of you. Only few points. And Jason, keep it up baby. So let's get going. Thak gaye? We still have questions. We still have more questions. Don't worry. And let me have next question for you on the screen. So the question is, what is the first feature-length Disney animated film? Peter Pan, Pinocchio, Snow White, Sleeping Beauty. What is the first feature-length Disney animated film? Peter Pan, Pinocchio, Snow White, Sleeping Beauty. I'm still waiting. Girls, come on, girls. Boys, you're doing well. Yes. So the answer is time's up, guys. Time's up. So don't worry, we still have few more questions for you. So Jason and Natali is so proud of Arna, Weber. Wow, great. So the answer is Snow White. So Peter Pan gets 10 points, only 10 children gave, and Pinocchio 37, Sleeping Beauty I think 17 or 15. So 53, with only 53 children gave correct answer. And the correct answer is Snow White. So let's move to next question. Go, it's on your screen. So you can see what type of fish is Nemo? Swordfish, clownfish, goldfish, tuna. Very simple question. Very, 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 very simple question. Girls, boys, come on. Swordfish, clownfish, goldfish, or tuna? What type of fish is Nemo? My favorite, one of the favorites animated character. Time's up. So my favorite, one of my favorite characters. So leaderboard, give us the correct answer. Arnav, Natali, come on. So it's a clownfish. Yes, it's a clownfish. The answer is clownfish. So goldfish gets 47 children said goldfish, but it is wrong. 60 said clownfish. And the correct answer is yes, clownfish. So out of 118, 60 gets the correct answer. So the next question is on your screen. What is the name of the snowman in Frozen? Olaf, Swim, Samantha, Kristoff. What was the name of snowman in Frozen? That means you need to watch even movies very carefully. You don't have to just eat popcorns. You have to watch the movies. Isn't it? Even I will be doing that. I will not be eating much of my popcorns. So time's up, guys. So leaderboard, please give us. So Jason with 18,670 points. I'm glad all. So 100 kids gave correct answer. I'm so proud of you, kids. You are gearing up. Very good. So नेक्स्ट टाइम जब हम मूवी देखेंगे घर पे, मम्मी को पकौड़े बनाने के लिए, पॉपकॉर्न देने के लिए, पेप्सी देने के लिए, कोक देने के लिए, या केएफसी से ऑर्डर करने के लिए, या डोमिनोज से, कोई नहीं बोलेगा. पहले हम मूवीज को ध्यान से देखेंगे, उनके कैरेक्टर्स का नाम ध्यान से सुनेंगे, और उसके बाद खाएंगे. ओके, सो यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू ट्रबल योर mama and papa while watching movie. So let's move to next question. So the next question is on your screen, guys. And I want to take a break now after this question. So the question is, what are the names of 4 theme parks in Walt Disney? What are the names? Hollywood Studios, Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom, Epcot, Main Street USA, Discovery Island, MGM Studios, Mickey Mountain, Fantasia, Walt's World, Mickey's Kingdom, Epcot, Fantasyland, Star Wars, Galaxy Innovations, and the Land. Which is the correct answer? Time's up. Time's up. So leaderboard, yes. Still, Jason, Arnav, Arab, Pandey, Natali, you are just... So the correct answer is Hollywood Studios, Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom, and your Epcot. So this is the correct answer, and only 30 children could give correct answer. 27, the same answers were given to B and C part. And children, I am also now tired. Can we just rub our hands and just be relaxed? And I hope you enjoying the quiz, right? And don't forget my tip that you can't order, you can't eat too much in between the movies. You need to watch the movies carefully. Okay, so boys, well done. Girls, well done. But we still have questions, we still have time, and we can win. So let me start with the next question. And the next question, please cameras on kariye. Please, please, please. I'm repeating, please, you need to switch on your cameras. Everything is being recorded. Otherwise, you will be disqualified if you are winning also. So let me start with the next question. Yes. So here is the next question for you. 3, 2, 1, and go. So what is the next question? What are the names of these two princess sisters? So it's Multan and Snow White. Is it Helga and Mulan and Anna and Dana and Anna on Elsa? So it's Mulan and Snow White, Helga and Mulan, Anna and Dana, Anna and Elsa. Very, very simple. ये तो सभी को पता है. ये तो सबको आता है. I should get more of correct answers. Time's up, time's up, time's up. So, leaderboard, leaderboard. Let's see. Jason is on top. Arav Pandey, Natali, keep it up. So, yes, Anna and Elsa is correct with 93 correct. 93 gave correct answers. And Mulan and Snow White got 10 correct answers. And Anna and Dana to मैंने कभी सुना ही नहीं. Anyways, so Anna and Elsa. And let's get ready. So let's see what is the next. What is the next question? Just relax, calm down and relax. I think we are left with 6, 7 more questions, guys. Don't worry. Just smile, chill. It's a fun time. It's a happy, happy Saturday evening. Fun. I would say thanks to Podium for organizing such quizzes on Saturdays when we don't know what to do. So quality time spent. Thank you, Podium. So next question. So the next question is here on the screen. So, which of these princes ate a poisoned apple? So, was it Cinderella, Snow White, Belle, or Elsa? Which of these princesses ate poisoned apple? Cinderella, Snow White, Belle, or Elsa? I know the answer. I know the answer. It's a very, very, very old story. Time's up. Time's up. Girls, come on. So leaderboard, leaderboard. Jason with 20,490 points. Natali with 19,000 and some 489 points. Natali, not bad. You can. So, Snow White is the correct answer. And still, 2 children gave Elsa. Elsa was nowhere, baby. So, few more questions. Let's see what is the next question. I hope you guys enjoying this quiz. Quickly, thumbs up, thumbs down, smileys, whatever. इतनी बड़ी स्माइल मुझे दिख रही है प्रिया की ऐसे with 2 ponies. Okay, so next question is on your screen. So let's see what is the next question. Which of these princesses slept for 100 years? Aurora, Ariel, Elsa, Jasmine. Aurora, Ariel, Elsa, Jasmine. 100 साल तक कौन सोया था? कौन सी प्रिंसेस सोई थी? Yes, quickly, time's up. I'm so sorry. So let's see. Leaderboard, give us the correct answer. So Aurora is the correct answer. Only 75 kids gave us the correct answer. 14 said Jasmine. भाई Jasmine हर जगह नहीं है. Jasmine अपने यहाँ पे quiz खिला रही है. Okay? Jasmine नहीं सोई थी. Jasmine quiz खिला रही है. So 7 gave Elsa, 10 said Ariel. So all the best, and still 4-5 questions to go and see who is the winner today and who is going to share the Amazon voucher with me. So, which of these princesses lives in the sea? Is it Merida, Snow White, Ariel, Mulan? Merida, Snow White, Ariel, Mulan. So, it's question number 26. Okay. Time's up, guys. Time's up. Time's up. So leaderboard, give us the correct answer. Jason, Arav Pandey, Arav Mittal, Natali Agarwal, they are good. So Ariel is the correct answer. So she lived in the sea. So Ariel with 79 correct. 79 kids gave correct answer. So don't worry, don't feel bad about it. Just few reminders. I know winner is going to share Amazon voucher with me. I know that, isn't it? Anyways, jokes apart. So I'm just few things to tell you that winner gets an Amazon voucher. Wow. Top 3 get certificates, and they are beautiful, lovely certificates. Top 10 get podium gift card worth 500 rupees. I'm repeating, winner gets an Amazon voucher. Top 3 get certificates. Top 10 get podium gift card for rupees 500. So if you get your vouchers, if you get your gift cards, don't share with your mama क्योंकि मम्मी कहेगी ये मैं ले लेती हूँ. हाँ, don't do that. Just these are for you. So let's get ready for the next question. So the next question is, who is the daughter of King Triton? Okay, so let's see. These are the pictures. You have to answer. So let's see who is the daughter of King Triton. Time's up. Okay, so Jason with 23,310 points. So the correct answer is the B part. The second one you can see. So it's 27 questions. 3-4 questions are more. So all the best for last 3 or 4 questions. Okay, so we have around 208 participants, and that's fantastic. Oh, it's a happy, and Priya is doing this. Even I'm liking. I can see you all. So sweet. But you need to switch on your cameras, guys. So all the best to everyone. Let's get ready and ready to share the voucher. So the next question is on the screen. So here is your question. What is the name of this princess? I know the answer. Quickly, I think everyone. Anna, Elsa, Moana, Cinderella. I love this movie. Seriously, I love this character and love the movie. So time's up, guys, and let's see ये simple question का answer किन बच्चों ने और कितने बच्चों ने answer. So Neha and so 102 gave correct answer. Moana, yes, out of 109, 102 gave correct answer. Love you all, kids. Love you because Moana is also my favorite character. I love the hairstyle. I love her dress. And I love the, on the beach, the dance and everything. So, guys, we are on 28th question and let's get ready. So, let's speed up, guys, now. Only 3 questions left. So, quickly, I'm not going to stop now. What animal does Moana have? I know. I think I know. A cow, chew, a horse, a goat, a chicken. Okay, the name is also given. A cow, chew, a horse, hey, hey, a goat, goatee, a chicken, het, hey. So quickly, I'm not going to stop now. Time's up, guys. And let's see question number. What is the next question? So Jason, Arab, Neha, wow, Neha, keep it up. So it was a third, a chicken, het, hay. So get ready for the next question. Don't worry. So let's see what is the next question. So question number 29. Second last, no? So the question is, when Moana was a baby, which little animal she helped? So the answer is a bird, a crab, a seal, a sea turtle. Quickly, when Moana was a baby, which little animal did she help? Bird, crab, seal, sea turtle. Quick, guys, quick. So time's up. So leaderboard, give us the answer. Neha, keep it up. So 62, a sea turtle is a correct answer. So 30th, this and the last question on the board. All the best to everyone. And let's see who wins today and who is going to share the vouchers with me. On your screen, guys. What movie is this picture from? Quickly. Bambi, Robin Hood, Jungle Book, Peter Pan. ये पिक्चर जो आपको स्क्रीन पे दिख रही है कौन सी? And kids, you have to share your pictures taking the quiz on the Facebook page. Please do that so that we can see you were enjoying. Tell mama and papa to click your pictures. अच्छे से थोड़ा pose में quiz लेते हुए थोड़ा लगे, हाँ? So time's up, guys. And you can even post your favorite Disney characters on the digital media, which is, so the correct answer is Bambi with 59 gave correct answers, which is on Facebook and Instagram page. You can post your favorite Disney characters. And we are going to give you lots of blessings and smileys. Okay. So Are you ready with the last question? All the best. So, okay, this is the, yes, this was the last question. मैंने ऐसे ही बोला और तुम सबने ध्यान भी नहीं दिया. सब ready हो गए last question के. So, the quiz is over and yes, so let's see who wins. Who is going to share the vouchers with me? Girls, you played well. So let's wait for the results. Third, Neha, Jason first, and Arav Pandey is second. So wow, Neha, congrats, Jason and Arav Pandey, congrats. Okay, so let me tell you, Jason got 27,060 points with 93% correct answers. Arav Pandey got 26,700 with 90% correct with score or correct answer. Neha, so proud of you, girl. You got 25,130 with 87%. And others also. I think Tavishi shared with Arav Pandey. We'll just see. So Arav and Tavishi also with 90%. So now we can just talk to each other.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Will you see?
Let me stop sharing first. Let me stop sharing.
Just scroll down the leaderboard.
Ma'am, who are the top 10? Ma'am, who are the top 10?
Now listen.
Guys,
पता है ये हमारे नहीं अब आपको थोड़ा सा सुनना पड़ेगा. Jason is the winner. So Facebook पेज पे, Instagram पे winners के नाम आएंगे. Don't worry. क्योंकि मैम कभी अब गेम खिलाते खिलाते दिमाग थोड़ा सा ऐसे हो गया. I need a tea break. I need green tea break. All the results are on the digital platform. And just a reminder, post your favorite Disney characters on our Facebook and Instagram page.
Okay.
Okay, please अपनी फोटो के साथ भी favorite Disney characters भेज सकते हो. और second thing जो है वो ये है, you must have taken the pictures. Your mama है.
Okay,
Good
bye,
evening,
ma'am.
happy Sunday. You made my Saturday.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am, this is today last day.
Bye. Enjoy
Today last day. Ma'am, is today last day?
Ma'am, every Sunday it will come. Ma'am, you are
muted.
Jasmine, you're muted.
Okay, thank you. So kids, let's say bye-bye to each other with smiles. Let's exchange smiles. Can we exchange smiles? Arya, Arav, and Jason. Well done, Neha, and every other person who played. Well done. Again, I am saying losing is not important, but yes, participation is important. Looking forward in our sessions, upcoming session. Stay connected. And thanks to Podium for organizing such a beautiful, lovely quiz for our small kids. And thank you. And just bye. Happy Sunday and stay safe and eat healthy. And movie के बीच में कोई popcorn नहीं खाएगा. Bye.